big thing on that. I mean, so on the battery, we could talk a little bit there. So one of the big things on major wrecks is mechanical. So I kind of brought it out. So we have our own mechanical team. And basically it's across the street in our building we own. And we do all our own alignments. We do all our own suspensions. Anything that has to happen with mechanics, so we do all our own stuff. So we can do a car from all the way from the beginning to the end. So we take pride in that. We've already done so much suspension touch. You guys all being Tesla owners, you know there's quirky things with them, some squeak, some that, so we've seen it all again. We can do all that. So that's the one thing here. We have our own internal mechanical department that does all our own suspension and stuff. We did have a battery out. We left it there. Just be careful. We got it roped off so you guys could see it. We had to take it out once you get to the structural area, but you get to see a battery out. Some of you have, some of you haven't, but that's a battery out. So that's the big thing too. We can take them out and we can put them in. And we know what all the testing, what has to get done to make sure that car is back into pre-accident and running properly. That's a big thing. And then again, we're talking about calibrations. This is a windshield calibration. Just showing you, and the guy, maybe he'll be able to show you guys inside. He's got it's called Toolbox. That's a Tesla computer. He can hook up to the car and see any alerts, anything like that. And then at the end of it, the guy, Steven somewhere, he'll show you. I mean, he does all the test driving, self-driving, autopilot, lane departure sensors, making sure everything's working. Because the biggest thing after an accident is, for you people, is it's got to be driven. It's got to get on the highway. You got to make sure everything's working. Because the last thing you want is that car coming back that something's not working. So that's the big thing. Calibrations is really big. It's big in other manufacturers right now too. There's a lot going on, but with Tesla, it's a big thing. And I think Steven can show you how that works if you guys are interested when you guys are walking around. All right, so that's 5. So we're heading to 6, the structural embodied.